Okay, so my last one, I had to figure out why my numbers wasn't acting right for me. Figured it out. So I have to do equal minus this year. I'm sorry, take this year minus that. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me do this again. I have to take minus first year's balance. I have to take the first year's balance and minus it to the second year's principal. Get my price. Perfect. That's what I needed. And now I should be able to, now that I did that, let's see if it works well, sister. Boom. Boom, bow, blue. Okay, I was able to do that. Okay, those are the correct numbers. Finally, what we have next on here. It says property value, so let's do that. Okay, so property value. So we have property values, so owner and renters. The first one we're gonna do is for renters, I believe so. Okay, so right here we're gonna do purchase price is gonna be for 0. So give me 2 seconds. Let's get that going. Put it over. And oops. So all that is wrong, but we don't need any of that. It's just acting like that. Okay, great. Perfect. All right. And for year 1, it's going to be equal to the purchase price. Now, I got the wrong property price. Don't mind, it's me. I'm going to try this again. Like, you love when you make mistakes. Because I got the loan amount, not the purchase price. Oh, we should look what we're doing. Okay. Like it's going to be another 15-minute long video. I forget. Okay. Okay. Let's put together. Put together. Property value need the purchase price. And that's 200. What am I equal? What am I equal? Equal, and then we can type in that, hit enter. Wow. Not a problem. Now, find the first year. We're going to do equal that. I'm going to multiply it. Okay. We're going to multiply it by 1 plus our property growth rate. So let's get our property growth rate. And that's of 3%. Not rental growth rate. Oh, house appreciation. Okay, cool. Oops. And then we're going to close that. We can do all of that up here. So I'm going to close that, and then we're going to lock down our numbers so that we can drag it. Lock down, lock down, enter. Good. All right. I believe it already calculated for us. Perfect. The next is will be our rent. The first year is going to be equal to the 1,600. So, don't forget it's a monthly rent. Sorry, y'all. I got a lot of things just going on off at one. So let's do that. I'm going to multiply it by 12. Great, giving us that amount. And you see how it already added? And you can already kind of tell that being a renter, you're spending a lot more money than you would. Well, you can't. We'll get there. So I'm just making sure that all of my numbers are correct. They look about right. So then we're gonna move on to renters property data. Okay. Alrighty, so it's basically the same thing for right now. So for the property value, we need our purchase price, 200 equal. That doesn't know what it's talking about. Or maybe it does. I don't know. Computers are really smart. So we're going to, huh, I think that's actually kind of correct, guys. Let me double check my information. Still 3%. Guys, that's actually, look at look at this computer. Okay, well the computer went ahead and did it for us, so that's pretty much what we wanted. Perfect. Rent, once again, it's the same. So if there's not a zero value for rent because as soon as you start paying rent, you're in there. But I believe for owners, you have the first year off. Yeah, you have year one off. But after year one, you will start paying rent since your first year is off. Let's go ahead and multiply that. And number one. Oh my goodness, I'm so hungry. I hope I can't hear my stomach. They did it for me again. I'm starting to like this. Probably because I had it in earlier. All right, so anyway, basically we did the same. We took our interest, not our interest, our initial rent rate, and we multiplied it by one. Well, we added one and multiplied to the interest rate of 3%. Was the interest rate? Let me make sure I'm telling you right. No, the house appreciation rate was 3%. Perfect. Which is the same as the rental growth. So it's kind of like, which one's going to be better? But when you look at that, like, this is what renters pay. Like, that's crazy high versus what owners pay. The owners are already coming off on, oh my goodness, what are all these numbers doing here? I have to delete them. We didn't work them out just yet. So let's delete. You gotta work them out first, guys. I'm gonna come back to you. Put this on pause while I do that. All right, now that I have cleared that out, we need to get our property taxes. To get the property taxes, it will be equal property value times the property tax or whatever that may be. So let's check it out. So we have our purchase price. I'm sorry, our property value, not purchase price. I don't even know why I said that. I said it correctly. So we need our property value times our property taxes, which is 2% equal. And it should go up. Yeah. But let's lock it down so that so it can move along. I'm going to lock down both numbers, letters, numbers. Equal, perfect. And it should be able to move it along. Dear. Okay. That is not what I need. So what did I do wrong? So property taxes and property value for each year. Oops, messages. Go to my notes on another big hold. Why? It's because I was just supposed to lock down my percentage. Okay. Now let's see if I drag it. Will it accumulate the right numbers that I need? This Excel, you gotta work with it, girl. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, moving on. Insurance. Our insurance is equal to our given insurance. Our first year is going to be $1,000. Okay, so let me go ahead and enter that. Is that exactly what I need? I don't know, but just to make sure, I'm going to do number 2 again. So number 2 is actually equal our interest rate. I'm sorry, our insurance times 1. So we can make sure we get that plus our expense growth. So let's, here we go, 3%, and close it, lock down my expense. Perfect. And that is how we got the rest of those numbers as well. So maintenance is fairly the same. So maintenance is equal to maintenance expense at the top, which I believe is 2,000. Okay, it's actually 250. Sorry, I just double check to make sure I did not input in the wrong number, guys. You just know how it goes, okay? And that's basically the same how they did, they calculated over, but I'm gonna do it again just to show you. Put it equal times 1 plus growth expense. And lock it down, and those are the correct amounts. Good, perfect. And it's giving us those amounts right there. Awesome. Now we're going to move over to our principal and interest. Okay, so the easy way that I like to do it is just add interest and together. Or from what is said in the videos, that our interest rate is really just our payments. So, you know, me, I'm a college student, I like normal ways of doing things. So I'm just going to copy and paste our payment because it's the same. So there's just no point. Or you could add the interest and the principal rate and it would get you. Well, let me just go ahead and show you because I might as well. I'm pretty sure that's what you want to see anyway. So let's just give you what you want. Why my messages keep popping up? Give you what you want. Give you what you need. All right, so interest. Okay, sorry. All right, so we're gonna do interest. Bless me. Interest plus principal equal exactly what I said. Same amount as our payment. So just wanna drag that over. Perfect. And now for our cash flow, which is pretty much accurate of what our cash flow is going to be. And that is the equation. So we're just going to go ahead and work that out as